in Wilmington has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for eastern looking until 7:15 p.m. At 6:50 p.m., radar indicated a severe thunderstorm located near Toboso, moving east at 20 miles an hour. Storm hazards include quarter-size hail, very heavy rain which may cause minor flooding. The severe thunderstorm will affect mainly rural areas of eastern Licking County. Seek shelter in a sturdy building. Stay away from windows and doors until the storm has passed. To report severe weather, go to our website at weather.gov/ILN and submit your report via social media when you can do so safely.
A severe